I'm going to do the control, so tell me what it said on video.
Brake before clutch.
Good, what else?
You don't check your mirrors.
Why? Good.
Because if there's like obviously if you're stopping in an emergency, you need to stop quick. So like you'd have hit whatever you're stopping for.
If you multiply the speed by 1.5,
that's like your stopping time.
That'll tell you how many feet you're covering per second. So if you're traveling 30 miles an hour, 1.5 times that, what's that give you?
45.
Wow. So from where you're sitting, where do you think 45 feet is?
Like the building, maybe?
Down the bottom there?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Right, you see the drop in the curb down here on the left?
Yeah.
That's about 45 feet.
Is it? I thought a foot was quite long.
A foot's only that long.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like a subway.
So it's like just under
oh, so it's only there then.
Just under 15 metres, just under
That's quite a lot though if I'm stopping for like an emergency.
Just under 4 car lengths. Sorry, just under 15 metres, coverage car lengths 4 metres. Yeah, just under 4 car lengths. Right, why you need to take a tighter grip?
Oh, because like if you've got more control, because when you're braking like that.
When you brake in emergency, where does the balance of the weight go?
On the front.
On the front, so it's harder to control. Why do you not steer for?
Is that what's going on?
No. Why do you not steer for?
Because like you'll just go
Well, if you steer to the left, who could you're in danger?
Pedestrians.
And if you steer to the right?
Oncoming traffic.
So Mr. Examiner wants you to stop in a nice straight line. Now,
do I just stop in the middle of the lane? Like
just where you know. When he says stop, just stop.
Because there'll be no one about, will there?
Nope.
So it'll be like on a road like this.
Yeah, they'll always make sure it's safe. Now, when you stop, quick reaction is very important. As soon as you stop, as soon as you're going to stop, as soon as you brake, you're going to stop the car, aren't you? Tell me what you do with your feet.
Do you like have your foot over the clutch but not on it? And
No,
then,
just.
Do you just have it next to it?
Just next to it like that. So.
You brake, and then like just as you're stopping, you put
what do you
the
do
clutch
with
down.
the brake?
Press it down, like
right to the floor, not halfway down, right to the floor. And at the very last second, what do you do with the clutch?
Put it all the way down.
You stamp it down. You don't stamp this one, you stamp that one. Have you got that?
That's quite violent.
Yeah. Now, when you stop, what do you apply?
Handbrake.
Then what?
Neutral.
Now the examiner say thank you, drive on when you're ready.
Thank you, will they thank me?
Yeah.
Oh,
See, we won't be doing that again. Now where are you going to look before you move off?
Everywhere. Like, don't you look over that shoulder as well?
You do. Why do you look over that shoulder for?
I don't know. I thought it was a bit weird when I watched the video.
Well, your car's in the middle of the road.
Yeah? Yeah.
So some could come down there. Now,
you know, if like on my test, like there is an emergency and I need to do an emergency stop, will they still, like if they were planning on asking me, will they still ask me?
Probably wouldn't do it if you'd have already done it. If it was an emergency and you stopped.
Like if like a child ran out and I actually had to do one.
And you stopped.
Yeah.
Yeah, they probably wouldn't ask you to do it again.
Okay.
But if you do that, that'd be good.
Right. For me, I'd start like sweating and crying.
Now, I don't want you to stamp the brake down. Why is that?
Because it'll like give me a whiplash.
It could lock the wheels and force the car into a skid. I don't want you to put the clutch down first. Why is that? What you normally do?
Because it takes longer.
It does. It takes longer. It's good. These videos work, don't they?
Yeah.
Giving us all the right answers. Why do we not do them together for?
It takes longer.
It takes longer. So it increases the chance of skidding. So what I want to do is BBC, push the brake firm to the floor, stamp the clutch out in a second.
Can I do that now, like just to feel it?
Yeah, just have a go of it. Just go right down on the brake.
Is that down?
Push it right to the floor.
Is that right down?
Yeah, and then push your clutch down. That's it.
Well, it doesn't feel like it's at the floor.
Well, because I've been pressing a little bit. Now, I mentioned skidding earlier on. The main cause of skidding are what?
I don't know. Is it not
braking, acceleration and steering? Who's responsible for all them?
Me.
Mainly driver errors. So if you lock brake so hard that you lock the wheels, what's going to kick in?
What's in
The ABS.
Oh, is that on this car?
Yes, most cars have it. I think it's after 2004 all cars have got ABS. I'm not sure about that. But all you do is if the ABS kicks in, then you've got to keep the brake on. Don't come off it, you'll just feel the brake vibrate off your foot like that. Okay? So if it does kick in, it's not going to the day because the conditions is dry. But if it does kick in, keep your foot on. You got that?
Do I, when I've stopped, Like, I keep them both down, don't I, when I do like my handbrake and
Then you
everything?
put your handbrake on, then you put in new.
And then I can
Okay.
stop.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the technique right first. So what I'm going to say to you, I'm going to say cover your brake. I'm going to say push it right to the floor. So I want you to push it right down at the very last second. Stamp the clutch. Got that?
So violent.
I know.
How
well,
fast
you'll
are
be
you
good at
going when you
this.
do it?
Normally second or third gear.
Oh, so quite fast.
You won't be doing it in the first, yeah? Alright, Helen, let's have a go.
Am I just driving?
Yes. Now we're going to do it, get the technique right, and then I'm going to do it like the driving examiner.
Oh no, I haven't even got my belt on.
Yeah.
I'm going to stop driving without a seatbelt on.
So I'm just going to watch your feet, see what you do, okay?
I don't like that camera being on, I'm going to kick it.
Yeah, no.
It's a bit far.
Just gentle. Yo, used to being a brute with the pedals on you. Straight to gears. Right, now there's nobody about. Okay, so give us a bit more gas. Go to the brake pedal. Push it right to the floor. Clutch. That wasn't too bad.
Horrible! I feel
on.
sick.
Handbrake on. Neutral. Drive on when you're
Was
ready.
it right though?
Yes. But
I feel sick.
you did come off the brake a little bit.
Because I was scared.
No, you need to.
I get wrong for that.
You need to keep it on. Now you want both blind spots. If you get this done, we'll be able to crack onto something else here.
What am I doing well?
Yeah, that was pretty good. Right, now one to the game, but do not come off the brake. Okay, now at the end of the road, turn right.
I thought I'm scared.
But that was good, that, apart from coming off the brake a little bit. Both mirrors.
Can't do this really.
Hold it in the fences here, off your brake. You want to work on that rise to brake.
I know I've lost it again.
Yeah. No wonder you're good at this. Your footwork. Right, now we're going to do it again. We're not going to do it where the cyclist is.
That's what I was thinking. Do I overtake? Well, obviously not when there's traffic. Do I go?
Yeah, just slowly. Oh, he stopped, doesn't he? Right, we're going to do it along here. So just go to the brake pedal, push it right to the floor, clutch. Yeah, not bad. Handbrake on.
I really do not like that.
Neutral. Right, driving when you're ready.
If they ask me to do that on my test, I'll cry.
One every three, isn't it? Over your left shoulder. Take the next right.
This one right here?
Yeah, so I want you to put that clutch down just a little bit later than what you're doing.
Yeah. I love my clutch.
Don't cut your corners. Be here. Where there's no white lines, try to imagine where the centre of the road is.
Do the examiners actually shout at you?
Yes,
Go
they
like,
just
stop!
say stop. Well, they're not going to shout it.
Oh.
Right, I want one more go with the technique. Okay?
Do I want to be faster?
Yeah. Now, can you go to the brake pedal, push it right to the floor, clutch. Will do.
It'll do.
Drive when you're ready.
You don't like it.
Clutch is still going down a fraction early. Needle over the right shoulder.
I did?
Now we're going to do like the driving examiner, okay? So I'm just going to say stop. Put the clutch down very late and keep the right amount of brake on. Just walk out.
I don't like it, I'm scared.
Stop.
That was too early with my
Yeah, clutch too early, exactly right.
So then I need to do
Yes.
that one. Yeah.
Drive on when you're ready.
I knew what I did as soon as I did it as well.
That's it, left to right.
Left and then right?
Yes.
Okay.
At the end
Am I
of the
just
road.
doing the loop?
Yeah, do the loop again. Yeah, you need the clutch down there. Where isn't? Hold in the first. Off brake. That's it. Right, now you're going to put the clutch down at the last second. Yeah?
Yeah.
A bit more gas. Right, now concentrate. Very last second with the clutch. Now let's see where the car's going. Oh, it's going that way. Stop. that was neat. Right driver when you're ready.
Oh, I've done it the wrong way.
Left to right.
I know, it feels wrong though, because you only have to check that one.
I know. But that was good, that one. That was as good as it's going to get. Take the next right. And last time we good corner here. Very careful. Right, one more up here. Like that one you've just done.
Do I just go around?
Yeah, shows you better. Right. One more, and remember, clutch at the very last second. Stop. Wow, that was amazing. Well
Was that
done.
good one?
Yeah,
I
drive
hate
when you're ready.
That's awful. No, I can't check the right shoulder.
If you do right and left, you're not going to get marked.
Oh, am I not? Okay.
But make sure you do both, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really good technique, that. Well done, really good.
Am I 5?
Yes. Now at the end of the road, turn left.
Oh.
Well done. See, them videos help, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've clicked something on one of them and come up with a star jumping along. And it wasn't even the video I was meant to watch.
Roll it fast. Off brake. So it's just trickling.
Yeah.
And finished off with it. That's it. Gas and clutch. Now at the roundabout, we're turning left. Have you any questions about the control stuff?
I don't think so.
Off brake. That's it. Are you sure?
Yeah, I quite like it. It's
Is
just
it?
my sort of thing.
Is it? Yeah, you're brutal with them foot.